1930 और जिसमें कि आपके लगभग 2 million people were sent to jail and some were sent into labor camps where they were forced for the hard working and bonded labor. So this was the type of torture for the people, those who were raising their voice against the collectivization program. Many innocent people and professionals were forced to make false confession and were executed. In the same torture treatment, some innocent people were also suffered, and some professionals were also forced to make false confession. फॉल्स कन्फेशन मीन्स झूठे गवाही देने के लिए उनको फोर्स किया गया, एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए उनको फोर्स किया गया, एंड ऑल सच पीपल वर एग्जीक्यूटेड. ओके, दे वर पनिश्ड. Children, here you can see this is the kolkhoz, a big land farm where the people are cultivating together. This was the process of collectivization, means kolkhoz, cultivating kolkhoz, a big land farm. And here you can see he is Joseph Stalin, who introduced collectivization program or collecting holdings, land holdings, and known for introduction of 5-year plan and known for the industrial growth in Russia. Now, though the people criticized collectivization program and it did not bring any immediate positive impact on Russian society, but still its we can say future results were good, and Russia, within very less time, when the whole world was facing the economic crisis, that time Russia did not have any economic problem. Okay, so this was the biggest achievement of the Stalin's collectivization program. Now this is the last unit of your chapter. This is the global influence on the Russian Revolution and the USSR. So in many countries communist parties were formed, like the Communist Party of Great Britain. By inspiring from the Russian Communist Party, a socialist country, in many other countries there were the formation of Communist Party, like Great Britain में Communist Party बनी. At the same time in India, did you know, in India also, when the national movement was going on, so Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, did you know Jawaharlal Nehru, in his young time he was the communist, he was inspired by the communist ideas, and he was leading the Communist Party in India along with Subhash Chandra Bose. Now the non-Russians from outside the USSR participated in the Conference of the Peoples of the East. Many non-Russian people, those who were from outside from the USSR, they participated whenever there were the Conference of the Peoples of the East, means the Conference of the Communist people in 1920. They participated to know more about the communism. The Bolshevik founded Comintern. Comintern, actually it was the International Union of Pro-Bolshevik Socialist Parties. Comintern, we can say, a type of group of people or a type of association or a union. Then before the outbreak of the Second World War, the USSR had given socialism a global face and world stature. Means by the start of the 1939, USSR became the biggest power in Eurasia. That was the economically strong and means this socialism, the idea of the socialist theory became the global phase. Means in most of the country, the people were inspired by the achievements of this communist country, and they formed number of communist parties in their own countries. It became a global phase and a world stretcher. Stretcher means just communism became important in politics because of its big achievements. A very backward agrarian Russian society became a forward developed country by that time. Since 1920, after the revolution 1920, we can say to within 1939, it became the second largest, the biggest largest, the largest power in Asia and the second largest in world. It was uh, uh, it was giving the defeat to the USA. The USSR became a great power, and its industries and agriculture